Hello guys, it's Zan here. Welcome back to Decremis, where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto arena. So today I have brought you an exciting project named as Kishu Inu. So let's get started. So the first interface looks like this: little meme, big dream. Okay. Kishu Inu, Kishu its ticker is a community-focused decentralized cryptocurrency with instant reward for holders. Join the Moon mission. Okay. So let me tell you what Kishu Inu is. Kishu Inu was created in April 2021 with the goal of being a decentralized meme project with a true purpose. Kishu's mission is to bring popular cryptocurrency concepts to the mainstream. Unlike older comparable projects, Kishu introduces holders to next generation concepts such as frictionless yield, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and more. Within the first month of its launch, Kishu made a history by surpassing a 2 billion market cap and over 100,000 holders. This was an unprecedented milestone for a project of its kind and proved the world's belief in the project. So let me tell you about Kishu token. ERC20 token that features a 2% redistribution fees to holder. So every time a transaction occurs, existing holders earn more Kishu automatically. So they also have a Kishu swap, decentralized exchange that feature custom functionality and allow holder to trade any ERC20 token for another. And they have a Kishu crate, NFT marketplace where user can stake Kishu to earn NFTs. They feature artists from community contests and those artists earn a portion of staking fees. So they also have a Kishu Paw Print wallet tracker where users can track their passive income earned through Kishu, token prices, wallet balance, and more. They also have a Kishu swag merchandise store to allow Kishu holders to proudly promote Kishu in the real world, with all proceeds supporting Kishu's growth. So they have a good use case here. Kishu is fully decentralized and owned by its fun, vibrant community. They welcome and embrace diverse perspective to build Kishu into the best community in crypto. It's secure and safe. Kishu has been audited and its LP token have been burned. This meant zero risk to their investor for potential bad actors. Okay, so here they show how to buy Kishu token. So let me show you. Just come to their swap, which is available on their website. It is named as Kishu swap. Connect your wallet, Trust Wallet, install MetaMask or any wallet you have. Once you do that, load up some Ethereum to it. Once you do that, enter the amount of Kishu you want for Ethereum and just click swap and it's all yours. So let's talk about tokenomics and stats. Kishu is the token symbol of it and 2% is rewarded per transaction, 100 per quadrillion total supply. They have more than 140,000 plus holders and they have a market cap of 0.5 billion. That's a lot. And the price it's super low, like 0. A lot of 0 and 5 1. The current price is that. So they have a roadmap here which is named as Moon Map. Kishu launched on April 17, 2021 and quickly became one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency of 2021. This Moon Map is breathing document that lays out key milestone they plan to hit the community their rapid growth. So at the launch they have 1,000 holders, website launch, CoinGecko listing, 2,000 Telegram members, community marketing fund and marketing campaign, coin market cap listing and 5,000 holders. They have achieved all this. As for the growth, they have 5,000 Telegram members. After that, in which phase was completed, 10,000 holders, then 10,000 Telegram members, and 20,000 holders. Further, they have an expansion of Kishu Swap, initial central exchange listing, which was Hotbit, Belexi, CoinTiger, 15,000 Telegram members, 30,000 holders. After that, the utility is in progress, where they have reached their first goal, like 100,000 holders. Then they will announce their Kishu crate, their Kishu Paw Print, Kishu swag, which would be their merchandise, and 3 more central exchange listing which will increase the price floor of the circulating supply, and 50,000 Telegram members influencer marketing partnership. So they have only was founded by a 2% team that has since expanded into 20 plus community managers with expertise in marketing and development. Feel free to say hi on Telegram. Okay, so they have Kishu Man and Inu Dev co-founders of this project. They also host a donating platform like as a community power project. Kishu runs thanks to its amazing volunteer and generous donors. If you would like to pitch in, use the official ERC donation wallet here. Okay, so Kishu Swap is listed on a lot of exchanges like Kishu Swap, Gate.io, OKEx, Polynex, ZB.com, Uniswap, BKEx, Bitrue, Biki, Bilexi, and Hotbit. That's amazing. Let's have a look at their coin market cap. Like it's the most visited coin here, most visited token here. Like it's on number 13, surpassing many major cryptocurrency like Polkadot and others. As you can see, if you have bought token here, like after that it have rose like you can see at the graph, it's just going up and down, up and down, and it have a massive dip here, then it rise again and it's rising again. So here it shows a little dip and it will rise again because you can see the graph and its history. You can see the price here, it's in 14% down for now. As for the fully diluted market cap, it is 426 million, almost half billion. So their last 24-hour trading volume is 49 million. So that's amazing. And you can see the supply here, it's 100 quadrillion. And look at the markets here. People mainly use Uniswap here. So and there's Gate.io, OKEx, Big One, 1inch, KickX. So people use this a lot. As for Uniswap, you just have to open this interface. Once you do that, connect your wallet, install MetaMask or any wallet you have, enter the amounts for how much you want that, and select the token like Kishu here. And once you do that, just click swap and it's all yours. So let's open as their Telegram, Reddit. They have Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, a Medium, a GitHub, and a Discord. So they have a wide variety of social media here. For Telegram, they have an announcement channel named as Kishu Inu Community. They have almost 30,000 subscribers here. They perform their announcement here. So once if they are airdropping or doing something, so they would announce it here. So you should join it for yourself. As for Reddit, they have a Reddit group which have 12.8k Kishu hoodlers. So if you have any doubt in mind, you just create your post here and people will help you out with comments. They also have a Twitter where they have more than 72,000 followers, as you can see. So it have a big community and people are taking a lot of interest in it, and it's the next Shiba Inu, as you can see. So they retweeted some Polynex exchange tweets where they would get listed, and it's 10 hours ago. It's a giveaway. Win trillion Kishu. Dog lover, attention, time to post your cute puppies and get big rewards. Nice. That's for their Twitter. If you want to stay updated with it, you can follow them here too. They also have an Instagram where they have 22.2k followers, where they are very updated. If you are an Instagram user, you can follow them here. And they have a Mediums where their blogs are available. Everything about their project is transparent here. You can read through it and do your research. A GitHub is available where their source codes are available, their license and readme, the Kishu.solution. Everything is available here, like their contracts, so you can read it out in research part. As for Discord, if you want to follow them here, you can. This invite is like Kishu Inu community, and their followers are numbered more than almost 1700. You can contact their admins and clear your doubts. So that was up for this project. If you are interested in Kishu Inu, I will leave the website link of it in the description box where you can check it out for yourself. Do some research if you want to invest in this project. This is all yours. So if you want to indulge in it, I have shown you how to buy it on Uniswap and their own swap. Go for it, guys. So if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more amazing gems from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.